How to simplify? Here, we don't involve here. We have complicated or difficult problems. Simple types. This number it is in which simplification is there. But here I am writing simplification of numbers based on scientific notation, first addition and subtraction. Okay, we may add or subtract. It means we can add or subtract two numbers in scientific notation if the exponents of the base 10 are of the same order. Same order, it means having the same power. If they are not, we should reduce the exponent of one of the number to that of the other one. It means we have to convert into the same order. Then add or subtract the numbers. Example, you look here, example A and B, two questions there, 8. First is 8, 7.56 into 10 to the 10 cube plus 8.5 into 10 power 4 or 10 to the power 4. Okay. Your friends joining. Also, look here. How to get a solution? Already I said if they have not same order means if the exponent means power of the base 10. If they don't have same, we have to make same. Then only we can add. So lower one, if having higher power, you can change into the lower power. But lower power you cannot change into the higher power. Here I am using exponent. Exponent means power. You look, don't forget. And exponent means powers. So here 7.56 into 10 cube plus 8.5 into 10 to the power 4, we can write like this, 10 to the power 3 plus 1. To break down, we can write like this. After this, another step, 7.56 into 10 cube plus 8.5 into 10 cube plus 10. Breaking down this. Breaking of this, 3 plus 1, 10 to the power 3 plus 1. 10 cube into 10 to the power 1. If the power is 1, it is not compulsory to write. You should understand, you must understand just 10 if you written only 10, 10 means it has power 1. Like this you have to understand. Now you look here, in both the terms you can find 10 cube. In first term also, second term also 10 cube. It becomes easy. Okay. Now it becomes easy to take the common. After this you take the common. Okay, look here, before taking common, we have to do here simple simplification here. Look here. Okay, 7.56 into 10 cube plus 8.5 into 10 is 85. Their last 10 with 8.5 if you multiply, you will get 85. You know it. Now 85 into 10 cube. After this you look here in both the terms. In first term also 10 cube, in second term also 10 cube. So take the common 10 cube. 10 cube take the common. What remains from the first term? It remains 7.56 and from the second remains 85. So enclosed by the bracket and write that what is you are taking common, that is 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube you are taking common. That you write outside. Okay. Are you getting me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now add them. 7.56 and 85 yet you will get 9.56 into 10 cube. But it is not in scientific notation. Now after this you change into the scientific notation. We are near to the final step. Here is 92. 92 is more than 10. So it already it must be less than 10. Hey, are you listening me? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, Sulap. Shulab? Shulab? Why? With whom you are talking?
insert the tricks into
Hey,
बुझेन
Shulab.
भने यसो त हल्लिन्छ त्यो स्क्यान हुन्छ नि अनि उनी गरे
Shulab, why you are not listening?
मस्त गरिसक्यो
Huh?
Sir, mute all the student.
Okay. I'll mute.
किक आउट सुन
Okay. So here. Now after this,
Sir. Sir. Sir, you are mute.
okay. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
No? Can you hear?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. Look here. What I was explaining, 92.56 we can write 9.256 into 10. Again 9.256 and 10 if multiply you will get 92.56. But this is the step to change into the scientific notation because the value of A should not be greater than 10. It must be less than 10. Less than 10. So to make it less than 10, decimal should be in between 9 and 2. So to bring the decimal in between 9 and 2, then again that 92.56 should not be less than or more than that. So 9.256 into 10 is equal to 92.56. This is only the another form. Okay, still joining. Okay, so look here. Now we are getting here 9.256 into 10 cube. Now if you multiply 10 into 10 cube, you will get 10 to the power 4. Now finally we are getting 9.256 into 10 power 4. It is in the form of scientific notation. Value of A is 9.256 and 10 to the power n is 10 power 4. Now look
Excuse
B
me,
number.
sir.
B number. Yeah.
Sir,
B number.
1 second. Sir, in fifth step there you have write 92.56 into 10 to the power 10 cube, and after that only 10 is there. It should be
Okay, it should be in which step? What I was explaining, you are not listening. You are okay. Look here. In the bracket, you look 7.56 plus 85 into 10 cube. In up to that step, do you have any problem?
no, sir.
No. Now you add 7.56 plus 85 is 92.56. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that up to that step also no problem. Now after this you look here. 92.56 is more than 10. 92, it means 92 is more than 10. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. And A should be less than 10.
Yeah, it should be less than 10. How to make less than 10? You have to bring
By
the
putting
decimal in
decimal.
between 9 and 2. If you bring the decimal, that decimal, which is after 2, if you bring that decimal in between 9 and 2, it becomes less than 10. So 9.256 into 10. Again, if you multiply, you will get 92. This is only the another form. While converting, it should not be less or it should not be more. Neither more less nor more. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
That decimal we are shifting. That decimal we are one place left. If you are shifting one places left, you have to multiply it by 10. If you are shifting 2 places left, you have to multiply by 100. If you are shifting 3 places left, you have to multiply by 1000. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
This is very important. So now we are getting. Now B number you look here. B number is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 4. You look here. In first term there is 10 to the power minus 3 and another term there is 10 to the power minus 4. They have not same order. So we can make into the same order. Same order means having the same power. We can change into the same power. So how we can change? You look here. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 same minus 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 we can write minus in the bracket 3 plus 1. Actually 3 plus 1 is what? Again minus 4. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 4. Just we are converting into the same exponent, same order, to make same with the first term. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 7.8 into, you remove the bracket, power. You look here, from the power.
हाँ सर
If you remove the bracket, it becomes 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1 by 1 if you multiply, you get minus 1. So you look here, if the power is minus, negative, 1 also we have to write. If there is plus 1, it is not compulsory to write. Now you look, in the first term also 10 to the power minus 3, in second term also 10 to the power minus 3. Now 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 7.8. If you divide by 10 to the power minus 1, it means if you multiply by 10 to the power minus, how it? 7, 8
Is
into 10
there
to
is
the power minus 1
subtraction?
equal to, yeah, 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 1 equal to 7.8 divided by 10. If you bring down that 10 to the power minus 1 in the denominator, it becomes plus. You know already. So it becomes 7.8 divided by 10. 7.8 if you divide by 10, what it becomes? Decimal shift, one place is left. So you look here, already here, decimal before one digit, again it shifts one place is left, means it becomes before 7. So it becomes 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 3. So now you look here, power. In the first term also 10 to the power minus 3. In the second term also 10 to the power minus 3. Take the common here also, 10 to the power minus 3. Taking 10 to the power minus 3 come from the first term, 5 left. Minus, and from the second left, 0.78. Now you subtract 5 minus 0.78 is 4.22. From whole part, from 5 you subtract 0, 5 minus 0, you cannot, it's very easy to subtract. But you look, that 0.78, you subtract 0.78, you can write 5.000 minus 0.7. So you have to borrow to subtract 78. From 5 you have to borrow. Borrowing, you look here, from 5 we have to subtract, and it becomes 4.22, and outside the bracket there is 10 to the power minus 3. Here already we are getting 4.22 is less than 10. So it is in the form of scientific notation. It is not necessary to convert. Here itself we are getting scientific form. 4.22 is less than 10. So it is not necessary to make less than this. So it's okay. Now to number multiplication and division. Now you look here, two questions here also I am giving. Now look another page. Get ready. Okay. Everyone look here. Now look, first question. 5.7 into 10 cube into 4.2 into 10 to the power 5. So here, how to get, look at the arrow. I have shown by arrow. How to multiply. Just here, only multiplication sign. So it's very easy to multiply. So here, multiplication and division, first one is multiplication. So 5.7 into 4.2 you multiply. Multiplying constant with constant. It means 5.7 with 4.2. They are constant. And another, multiply base 10 with base 10. It means 10 cube with 10 to the power 5. You multiply. So you put together them. Constant with constant, base 10 with base 10. So here 5.7 into 4.2 is 23.94. Okay, into now 10 cube into 10 to the power 5. Just power we can add. Put the same base, only one base. They have same base. So powers added. If they have same base, power we can add. So 3 plus 5 you write. Now 23.94 into, we are getting, okay, 10 to the power 8. But here 23 is more than 10. So make it less than. How to make it less than 10? Shifting the decimal in between 2 and 3. Here is 23. 23 means it is more than 10. Actually 23.94, which is more than 10. Make it less than 10. How to make it less than 10? Shift the decimal left. One place left. Already I said, if you are shifting one place left, you have to multiply by 10. If you are shifting two place left, you have to multiply by 100. Remember this. This is the rule. This is the method. If you are not following the method, okay, you will not get. Some of you jumping, second step is not correct, but third step correct. How come? If second step is mistake, wrong, whole thing becomes wrong. In your, in some of your cases, I have found like that. Second step not correct, but third step correct. So check your steps correctly. Math is very sensitive. Okay. So every step should be correct. So now you look here. Finally, what we are getting? 2.394. 10 into 10 to the power 8 is 10 to the power 9. Where powers are added. Now you look B number. B number is 9.72 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, now here also divide constant by constant and base 10 by base 10. Very easy. If you have this idea, it becomes very easy. Unique Pandey. Okay, everyone listen. After this, if time is left. After this, if time is left. If time is left, hey. After this, if time is left, I'll tell you about upcoming exam. Coming exam. You are going to attend the exam. Maybe you know. Already you know. You have to attend the exam from 3rd of Bhadra. Yeah, 3rd, 4th, 7th, 8th. 4 day. Okay? So you look here. And your routine will come very soon. And go on checking on the Mahavidyalaya website. So here, B number you look here. 9.72 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power 5. H before here. H in number 1. Here, constant you divide by constant. It means 9.72 you divide by 3.6. And you write into there. Into. Now, 10 to the power 9 you divide by 10 to the power 5. That base 10 you divide by base 10. Now, 9.72 if you divide by 3.6, you will get 2.7. Into. Now you look here. You know, in the case of division, you look here, base 10. In the case of base 10, their powers should be subtracted. Should be subtracted. 10 to the power 9 minus 5. That 5 is the power of denominator. Base 10. Power of the base 10 in the denominator. So you have to subtract. If it was minus, it becomes plus. Again, subtracting minus, again minus, it becomes plus. But in the denominator, there is no minus. That is plus. Power 5 is plus. 5 plus 5. So just subtract 9 minus 5. Now finally we are getting 2.7 into 10 power 4. We are getting 10 power 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now you look assignment. Assignment page number 109. 109 page number, if you open everyone. Number 1 A B E F. Number 2 A B C H I J. Number 3 A B D. And number 4, 5 and 6. They are long type of question, so do all of them. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After this, I'll tell you about the model question of upcoming exam. upcoming online exam.
Okay, sir.
All of the questions you will get objective form. Are you getting me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of
Yes,
the question you will get in
Yes,
objective
sir.
form. Okay, and you
Yes,
have
sir.
to complete within 40 minutes. Writing, doing everything. There should be, you have to write your name, your roll number, your section, everything, and completing your question. You have to send. You have to send. How you are sending your, you have idea how you are sending your assignment in the Google Sheet. That you have to send. I think to send, I think you don't have any problem. But here you will get 15 questions. How many questions you will get?
15.
15.
How many?
15.
Are you
15.
listening me? Many questions?
Yes.
Questions. 15 question. Is carrying 2 marks.
2
Is carrying
marks.
2 marks.
2
Yeah.
marks.
So 15 to the 30. How much?
15
15
to
to
the
the
15 to
30.
the
30.
30.
Yeah, 30 marks. 30 marks from question. And after that, 5 marks from your discipline. And 5 marks from your homework. Assignment it is. Are you getting me?
Yes,
So altogether 40.
Okay, sir.
Altogether 40. This is 40 is the full marks for 100 full marks. Having 100 full marks, your exam will be taken like this, converting into 40.
Sir, all question will take 2 marks.
Yeah,
All question will take 2 marks.
yeah. Already I said is carrying 2 marks means all questions 2 marks. Objective type.
Yes,
Objective
sir.
type.
Okay,
Are you clear?
sir.
Objective type.
Yes,
You will get 4. Listen once again. Listen carefully. You will get the 4 answers. In a question, you will get 4 answers. It means 4 multiple choice you will get. And you have to choose the best answer. Are you clear? You have to choose the best
yes,
answer.
sir.
Sir,
Don't
no
forget.
thought.
Yeah. Don't you think objective means you are taking very lightly? Don't take it very lightly. You have to do rough in your paper. If you are not doing rough in your paper, you get easily the answer. So anyway, it is easier than subjective question. But this type, in this case also, you will get the answer without doing rough. It means you are not doing, okay, calculation.
Sir, what is the
You have to
syllabus?
syllabus. Okay, syllabus you prepare. How much you have learned till today? All you have,
All.
we have finished.
Sir, this
Okay,
is
you have
percentage.
finished all.
Sir, percentage is
Huh?
given.
Percentage.
Yes, sir.
Which percentage is also in the syllabus? Is percentage also in the syllabus?
Sir,
Sir,
as
we
per
don't know
We
the
have not got
syllabus.
our
student
syllabus.
teachers.
Sir, keep syllabus. Sir, we don't know
Sir,
the
we have not
syllabus.
got all.
Sir, syllabus.
That's I am telling you what you are not listening. Listen till today what you have learned. You have learned set. Have you no set?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Factorization you have learned. Factorization
Yes, sir.
all
Yes, sir.
you have learned. No problem. After you have learned in the statistics you have learned mean, median, mode. All you have learned. Have you learned or no?
Yes, sir.
You have
Yes,
learned.
sir.
Sir,
Yeah. Those, and you look here, not only that, and after this we have learned rational number system all finished, number system all finished.
all
Okay, okay. So
algebra.
yeah, algebra already I said, only algebra. Factorization already you have done. That
Only
factorization means
factorization.
in algebra. Yeah, yeah. Only that, only algebraic expression. In algebraic expression there comes factorization also. Okay.
Line and
Squaring
All.
also.
With their formula, you look a square minus b square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, all those things. Okay, prepare well, everyone. Prepare well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
are you getting me?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
And okay, I think today's time no more left.
Sir,
Uh,
9 minutes left.
going to finish. Still 9 minutes left.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So okay. If so then
Minute.
I'll check again.
Sir,
Yeah,
in next
I'll
class,
check. Okay.
sir, in next class, can you do revision of factorization?
Okay. Do more and more. Don't depend only on teacher. You have to do more and more practice. You cover all. Now it will be more beneficial if you are doing yourself, covering all. So here next time I'll give you some examples of questions, objective questions. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll check here. I'll check here. Still, I'll check here about the uh, uh, syllabus. I'll check here. Okay, this is your syllabus. Okay, have you seen? Have you got?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
syllabus. You note down. This is the syllabus for you. Set, whole numbers, integers, real number, algebra, factorization, all, geometry, relation between vertically opposite angles, relation between angles formed by a transversal in a pair of parallel lines, all there, mean, main, mode, and range, all this. Are you getting in the screen?
Not this
Yes,
much.
sir. Sir,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
question.
Sorry, so
Why question? You need why questions.
Sir, we
Your
got
duty
it.
is to prepare. Which teacher is preparing, making, that's not important.
Sir, in your
That's not important.
scientific notation will not come.
Yeah, scientific notation also that comes in the number system. Number system. You look in number system. Here you look in number system. There all comes. Here number means there comes in between them all. Real number is already I said very large number system. It includes every number system. There. Look, natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, all these things. So only they are left to mention here. In real number system, everything comes there.
Sir,
So
scientific
you prepare
notation
this.
is the chapter of real number, eh? No, rational number.
Yeah, real number means rational number.
Rational number.
Rational. Yeah, it is under the real number system. It is under the real number system. So only you are missing that, but actually that also in your syllabus. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
this is easier than that. The exam, how you attend in the classroom, this type of exam will be easier. But easier means don't you take it lightly. Don't underestimate. You have to do practice in this case also. You do practice covering from all. It helps you for another exam, coming exam. If the class starts in your classroom immediately, in that these things will be very helpful to start other uh, chapters, other topics. So don't underestimate. Okay. After this, let's see this exercise page number 109. Page number 109. Okay. So here, little bit time left. So, okay. I want to ask you.